Welcome back to the channel, guys. My wife's car has a flat, and I realized it yesterday. So I gotta fix it for her because she's gonna be able to get around, so she could take the kids to school. She has doctor's appointment and stuff, so it needs to be taken care of. So, her wheel off. It's the rear wheel. Found the first set of nail in there, and then there's the second one. There's two nails in this tire. So we're gonna start with the first one, which should be in this one, and then we're gonna move on to the second one. What I'm using is this Handfly tire repair kit. Let me set up my camera real quick so you guys can see it. So I opted with this one because this one comes with steel handles. I had the ones from Harbor Freight that had the plastic handles. Unfortunately, what happened was, and this actually comes with this like a little crowbar that you actually take the stuff out. What happened was the plastic handle broke and slashed my entire arm. So I was bleeding while I was trying to fix it. But this comes with all the stuff that you need. This is also for like if you want to change the needle in your for the air. So let's see what comes in this kit first. So you have this. This is basically you're gonna squeeze the hole, kind of go back and forth, make it clean. It comes with instructions on how to do the whole thing. It tells you to apply lubricant. Does this kit come with the lubricant? It does not come with the lubricant, but it comes with plenty of patches. So, and you're gonna put this little guard, which is this guard right here, before you put it in. So it has all the instructions. It's pretty simple. It's not that hard. So without further ado, let's start with the first one, then move on to the second one and see if we can actually do this. I've never used lubricant with these kits, so I don't think I'm going to use lubricant. It should be fine, but you know, who knows? I'm always up for screwing up anyway. So let's do that. Let's start on this and be right back. All right. Actually, this is not even a hole. But let's just make sure it's not a hole. We're gonna spray some soap water on it just to make sure it's not leaking air. All right, we don't have any leak there, so that's good. Look at that. That is a nice size hole. All right. All right, before we get started, you want to make sure you put this in there so it's ready. You want this in your hand. Ooh, look at that. That is gorgeous. Look how big. Ooh, that's a nice size hole. Okay, you want to kind of open up the hole, even though the hole is not big, and I could feel that it's over the wires because I could feel the wires grinding. So you want to kind of play around with it. I feel like this is gonna be a hard one to push in, but we're gonna do our best. Oh, see? This thing is loose. The kit comes with the Allen wrench to tighten these up. How convenient, right? I know I'm kind of taking too long, but I want to make sure I do this right. All right, and that was it. That's all it takes. And we're gonna take this. Comes with this little razor blade, and watch your hands, guys. You don't want to cut yourself. And that's it. And what do you want to do? Spray. Make sure there's no bubbles. And that's it, no bubbles. And the hole is fixed, the hole is patched. All I know, took about 5 minutes. I took a little extra time because I'm trying to show you guys how it works. But 5 minutes of time, you saved yourself a tire, you didn't lose that much air. So it's pretty simple. Now we're gonna put the tire back. And that was it, guys. So it didn't take that long. It took about 5 minutes. So let me know what you think. Leave your comments down below. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. Peace out.